he sent it to me, and then but then something about like it was like I don't know, I was a bit scared of it, so I didn't play it.
Yeah, I've heard this before. What were you scared about? Do you know?
I don't know. So I keep talking about it because I'm still trying to kind of pick my brain on that.
Do you think your subconscious was telling you this was going to be a life-changing song?
I think my subconscious was telling me it could be a life-changing song. It felt like 50-50. Like, because it's obviously, it's different. And I think that's why people are drawn to it so much, because the first thing you think is, what does apata mean, right? And I understood that because I know what it means and I know what it is. But before we start going around being like, this is a drinking game and having people like really vibe to it, it's a bit, there's a learning curve for it. And so I was just like, I don't know.